Hey, welcome back to Cool Kids Art, and let's draw another Roblox Piggy character. This time it's gonna be the very cool looking Easter Bunny, Bess. So here's my full pencil sketch shown in 2 speed, and then right after this I'll show you guys how to draw this line by line with a Sharpie. Alright, so let's draw this cool bunny, and to begin we're going to draw in the top portion of the face first. So we just got to draw a half circle, but just make it a little bit flatter because this is going to be inside a hoodie. Alright, and then come down here, just come to the middle of this. Just draw a circle, this is going to be the nose. And then now just kind of come in and fill up this space right here. Just close it off. Alright, and then once we have this, we're going to draw in the bottom. And this one is almost like a half circle, but just make it a little bit sharper at the very tip right there, in the chin area. Okay, so he's wearing some kind of covering over the mouth. So from here, we're going to draw just one curve all the way to the corner here. So this part will be the covering. Alright, and then after this, we're going to come up here and finish up the hoodie and the ears. So for this part, just come out to the center right here. Go straight up. It's a little bit sharper again on the top. We'll just curve all the way down and just stop right around here first. So again, this can be a little bit wobbly as well. So once we have this, let's go ahead and finish up the ears. You can just draw 2 lines like this going out first, and then just round it out. So same thing here, going out. Draw 2 lines. And then once we have this, and then once we have the outside line, just draw 1 more curve on the inside. Just follow all the way across. Alright, so that's pretty much it for the ear, and for the eye, just come up right about to the center of this, just come up. just draw one circle. And I think this one only has one eye, right? So yeah, I'm not sure about this. There might be another one here, but it looks like it's really dark in the reference image. Right, so I'm just gonna leave it like this. If there is another eye, just draw another circle there. All right, so now let's move on to the body and we'll fill up the gaps on the hoodie later. Okay, so for the body, just make 2 little marks. That's gonna be kind of the shoulder and the armpit area. And then now for the dress, just flare out. We're gonna connect this. Just give it a little bit of a wavy line. All right, so once we have this, let's go ahead and finish up the foot, and then we'll come back up and draw the arms. So right in the center right here, I'm just gonna draw 2 lines. So it's very simple. And now I'm gonna go on the outside here, just curve, and then close it off. And same thing on this side, just curve out. All right, so now for the arms. So here's the armpit right here. You can make a little mark. I'm gonna start up here. Just curve out. And then the inside, just follow the same curve, and this is gonna be the wrist. Let's go ahead and draw on this side first, because this one's gonna be holding the basket. But this part's gonna be the same. All right, and then for the hand on this part, just one little hook. Add one little line there for the inside of the palm. And then the outside right here, I'm just gonna curve all the way down and around, just go back up. Okay, and then for the other fingers, just one little curve on the inside. All right, so let's draw on this side, and this side is gonna be holding the basket. So right here for the thumb, just curve. And then I'm gonna draw in the basket first. Okay, so from this point here, just curve, just draw like a little bar going down, and then just close it off first. Okay, so that's gonna be the handle for the basket. And now to finish up the hand, just curve in to this bar right here. Okay, and then now for the basket itself, just one line, so just very simple. Just round it out. So again, like a little bar. All right, and then to continue on with the basket here, just slant inwards, close it off. And then one more little detail, just a smaller bar. Okay, and then now for the eggs inside, I'm just gonna draw in some curves. And I'll just draw in 2, but you can always add more. If you wanna add more, you just draw more curves right behind those. Okay, so that's the basket, and then now for the little eggs across the chest. So just come to the center right here. I'm just gonna draw a little egg shape, slightly at an angle. So that's gonna be 1, and then one more. So for this one, just start over here. So just kind of like slightly behind it. And then now for the strap, so just come to the center of this. I'm just gonna go up toward the corners. And then on this side right here, just continue down. Okay, and then lastly, we gotta finish up the hoodie. So just connect this all the way down. And that is it for this very cool looking Bess. Hope you guys like the way it turned out. And if you do, please do give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't, and I will see you next time.